Okay, hold on to your hats. We have some breaking news for XRP. The ETFs are one step closer. We have an official announcement coming from the SEC in direct relation to those ETFs, which we're going to talk about in this update video. So make sure you hit that like button and you subscribe. And don't forget, by the way, turn the notification bell on. That way, when we upload our latest content or bring you the latest breaking news for XRP, you're the first to hear about it. With that being said, let's get into this video. So James Sayafrat of Bloomberg did announce this. As new, there is the SEC just acknowledged Grayscale and the New York Stock Exchange 19B4 filing to list an XRP ETF. This was mostly expected, but officially means the clock will start soon for this and Dogecoin. Dogecoin actually getting the same as well. So it says here, look, February 13th, 2025, self-regulatory organization, New York Stock Exchange, ARCA Inc. notice a filing of proposed rule change as modified by Amendment Number 1 to list and trade shares of the Grayscale XRP Trust under the New York Stock Exchange Area Rule 8.201E, the commodity-based trust shares. So with that being said, there's some pretty big news. You know, it doesn't mean, however, that we have the ETF out. This just means that now we are on the clock as we work towards the launch. Think of it this way, however. You now have a pro-cryptocurrency administration. You've got a SEC task force. You've got an SEC that wants to adopt and innovate when it comes to digital assets. And call me crazy, but didn't I call the fact that I thought Grayscale would do this about 3 months ago? So I'll take a little pat on the back. But on February 10th, 2025, the exchange filed amended number 1 to the proposed rule change, which replaced and superseded the original filing in its entity. The proposed rule change, as modified by amendment number 1, is as described in items 1, 2, and 3 below, which items have been prepared by the exchange. The Commission is publishing this notice to solicit comments on the proposed rule change as modified by amendment number 1 from interested persons. So unless someone or some entity comes out and says it's unfair, it's absolutely not the right thing, it's against kind of trading policies, then this is pretty much set in stone. Now, here's my prediction. I think you're going to see Fidelity, BlackRock, and everyone else start to come in. Remember, Bloomberg given a 65% chance that we would see that ETF for XRP. I think has now gone to 80, 85%, and I think there will be more to come. We're also hearing rumors that Crypto.com might be adding XRP contracts. Again, hard to clarify, but I thought I'd put it out there as well. We're seeing lots of noise around derivatives. Doesn't feel like that's kind of going to be a thing, but it's worthwhile noting as that discussion was happening, particularly with the CBOE website as well. So the main thing, the ETFs are coming. Guess what? XRP is on the move as well. Now, interesting though, Dogecoin not. So that Dogecoin got the same announcement. That's pretty flat. But XRP 3% on the day, looking very bullish in this last hour as that announcement did break. We were actually live on YouTube when this announcement came in. So this is great news. One step closer, in my opinion, to that financial move for XRP. But we talked about this pattern. Get ready. In my opinion, a break above this trend line, aligned with this positive news. If you watched my video yesterday, I talked about how positive news, positive market sentiment could rocket propel XRP. The break above, look out. 265 would be a key indicator for me that we're about to see something pretty wild as a price prediction rallies. Now, here's the crazy thing as well. Think about the fact that we're seeing this instant move on the news breaking, particularly when it comes to these ETFs, means there is a ton of capital waiting to be deployed into this market. You couldn't be more bullish if you tried. Again, aligned to the fact that we're seeing Trump kind of bringing some more news in. We're looking to kind of suspend tariffs for a little bit. The market feels like it just needs a break. And it feels like XRP is going to drive that break home. And I think this is very bullish, very, very interesting, and more importantly, worthwhile keeping up to speed on exactly what's happening. We'll wait to see if anything comes out from Brad and the team over at XRP. They're very quiet at the minute, but they're talking a lot about XRP Apex, this event coming up, and ultimately the CFTC as well, which I know we've discussed on my live stream. So in summary, great news, one step closer, just a little bit further to get, but an ETF or XRP is just around the corner. Let me know what you think of all of this in the comments down below. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.